The Hill Farmers Union central body led by General Secretary A. Carson and President of Sonidan Circle R. Shadap celebrated an advanced Christmas event in the presence of local farmers, marking a joyful occasion for the community. During the event, the union distributed vegetable seeds to farmers for winter season cultivation. In recognition of the dedication of its members, the union also presented Christmas gifts to those who have consistently supported the organization during its challenges. Carson emphasized the union's commitment to encouraging farmers to continue cultivating crops during the winter months.
Kum kahil sama union ni wan perpang matakas ni akan ikisnong nakabenta ban rakhi ya ka advan Christmas barhakaju ka poru ni layo ya ka ban ai ya ki sembai ka ba nimla shisha ban klam na penpau ka jing snungu ya ka office jong ka rep karyang ka District of Agriculture ya ka ba kala ai ya kini ki sembai nilayo ikini ki sembai na ka District of Horticulture.
Mitchell Wankar Laban Moprem MDC extended